Daming prutas. Daming bunga.
I actually walked around looking for it. Finally, I had to ask somebody, and everybody was I finally found one girl who knew what I was talking about. Good morning, Philippines!
Sleeping. You okay? Punta tayo doon kasi meron ako nakita. The back. They have rust blueberries in there. Wild one. Hopefully, still not bad.
I'll touch no poison ivy.
Yeah, poison ivy it is. So, tignan natin yun doon kasi meron akong nakita. Straw raspberries. Okay. Daming prutas. Daming bunga. Bunga galore. Daming bunga dito ba? Nakita ba ninyo? Dito din oh. Lahat ng kahoy may bunga. Lahat ng prutas may bunga at saka ang marami siya. Masarap ito pag mahinog. So dito tayo guys. Meron ako nakita dito eh. Dito siya. Look. Sana walang ticks kasi maraming ticks dito eh. Look, oh, ay, maliit man siya guys. Look, maliit. Mga maliliit. Look, andun, oh, malayo man. Malayo man yung iba. Look. Look. Malayo man yung iba. Maraming prutas dito guys eh. Hanap tayo baka meron pa dito kasi look dito sa gilid ng bahay. Marami-rami din. Meron ako nakita kaso yung iba is nandun sa ano, nandun sa bukirin talaga. Yung parang sa amin pa man ito. Ito dito. And yan. Yan sabi pa ni Tami, dito daw ako mag-farm. Pag sure ay ang daming ticks dito. So look, ang daming ano guys. Na ano. Look, oh, ano to? Prutas to? Look, the same thing. The same yung sa kahoy na parang ano. Look, ano, mulberry. Look, ang dami niya, oh, look. Oh, kahoy, itong kahoy na to, maraming bunga pala. Mulberry. Look, ito siya. Ito dito. Kaloka. At saka itong mga prutas dito, ang daming bunga. Grabe. Look, ang daming bunga, look. Daming bunga. Yung doon ang dami. Kaysa dito, wala man guys. Maliit. Malayo. Ano na lang tayo? Dito, oh. Dito, ang daming bunga, oh. Look, kita ninyo? Oh my goodness. Look, na ano siya sa fence namin dahil sa bigat. Kailan sana hindi ito masira eh. Para ma-harvest. Look, ang dami. Dami, oh. Look, ang dami. Kuha tayong isa. Ito, kunin natin. I know, hilaw pa to ba? Parang bayabas. Masarap siya, parang bayabas. So, ito siya. Kasi kapag nag-i-spray sila, winawash ko siya. Pero ngayon, hindi ko siya winawash dahil hindi naman siya na-sprayhan.
But you still wipe it on your shirt.
Huh?
But you still gotta wipe it on your shirt so it's getting bird.
Wow, you understand what I'm saying? Wipe daw.
NHS COVID pass for use at
It
venues
feels like
and events in
guava.
England.
I don't like it too much.
Mm. You're so cute. 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 My baby, you're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hello guys. So ngayon guys, hold on ha. Good morning. Good morning guys. So ngayon busy po dito ako kasi itong mga piniprint ko is ito yung mga resibo sa site kung saan ako na gumagawa ng thumbnail, which is PicMonkey yung ginagamit ko. And then, kumukuha ako ng kailangan kang, basta nagbabayad ako ng $13, $12.99 a month, yung sa PicMonkey. Kasi gusto ko meron akong yung parang nila, yung mga bagong mga pro ba, pang pro na Para ito, yung ginawa ko dito is para sa tax, guys. And then, yes, late na ito. Kasi palagi kaming nagpa-extend. Ganito kami every year mag-extend. Dapat April 15 nakapasa na kayo ng tax. Pero kami ni Tami, si Tami mahilig itong mag-extend, kaya yun. Palaging ganito ang drama namin. And then kinukuli ko lahat yung mga kung ano yung mga nagasto ko para sa yung mga nabili ko. For example, mga maliliit na equipment para lang talaga sa vlog natin sa channel. Kinikip ko yung resibo, yung ganun. Is it working?
I don't know. I think the battery's not good enough. I took the battery out of flashlights.
Flashlight. I think that one is just bad. Yeah, we need to buy not electric. That's why it's just electric. It sucks. Electric is not good. And also guys, yung mga giveaway ko, mga giveaway receipt, load, ganon. Inano ko lahat. Ito na yung papel, ang kapal-kapal na sa lock.
Let me look at the charger in here.
We just did here. I just did. It's nothing. I just
Then
did.
you're out of luck.
Huh?
Then you're out of luck.
So why that one is not good?
I tried to put the other one in the flashlight and it didn't work when you're good. I put the flashlight out over there, now we're good. You put it in here, see if it works.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Punta daw siya ng Walmart. Alam niyo ba kung anong bibilhin niya sa Walmart? Ano lang naman. Powder something. Some milk and also sugar for hummingbird. So, yun lang naman yung bibilhin niya, di ba? So, nakakaloka lang naman yung mga niya, mga bilhin niya. So, yun lang naman. Complain.
Look where that's coming from.
My husband, no, this car is too short. My head is too long.
My wife is too short. My head is too long. Da 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 da.
My husband cannot talk anymore.
That's you. I just imitate you.
Okay, let's go.
Did you call Andrea? Are we taking that bag?
Huh?
Are we taking the bags to Andrea?
Or we're just gonna do at the same time, right? Which Walmart are you
We'll go to
planning?
that Walmart because we actually have the dog bones and this one doesn't anymore, and we'll drop the bag off to Andrea's.
Okay, I have the key. You can get it. Okay, fine. You talk to them and then I'll get it. Okay, so...
Just go in the front door.
Oh, no. We have to call Andrea. I'm gonna call Andrea quick. I'm just gonna tell her quick call. I have only her number here.
I'm just saying, we're gonna come and drop it now because she's like, oh, I'm gonna go run out for an hour.
So, wala dito yung kapatid ni Mr. Tinex niya ba? Tingnan natin kasi tinex niya. Oh my God, I thought I opened it.
Why you tell me the trunk is open when it's not?
I thought I opened it. Don't be whining. Okay. So anyway. So yan, si Tami gusto kasi niyang talagang dalhin dito. Kaloka talaga. Ang ganda ng yard ng kapatid ni Tami. I mean yung grass nila. Maganda. He's so funny. Then we look at his face. He's so unhappy. This is what you want, dong. This is what you want. So now we put it in there. Don't be bitchy.
Trunk is open.
Hun. I wanna pee. Now we have to go home. You think she will be here soon?
Nope.
Huh?
No.
I texted her. I said, Tommy texting you, and we are here. We put it in the back deck. Delk. There's something wrong with you.
Something wrong with me.
I wanna go.
Trunk is open. You can't remember to push a button? Really?
I did, Tommy.
You did.
I think.
First you said I forgot.
I did. No, I did, but I didn't press it long. So don't be whining. You think their thing is closed?
What thing?
Their shed.
I don't know.
You can put it in there.
No, I'll put it there.
You put it closer to the grill.
Yeah, put the white chair in front of it to hold it from blowing a little bit.
So, nagpark lang ako dito dahil si Tommy lang yung pinapunta ko doon sa tindahan kasi ang sakit ng puson ko, sobrang maihi na talaga ako. So, yun. No, tinanggal ko na nga yung ano ko dito kasi sobrang ihi na ako ba. Sabi ko, ikaw na lang magpunta doon. So, ang konti lang naman yung bibilhin daw niya, creamer at saka sugar, bones and stuff. So, yun yung tindahan andun. Ang daming naka-parking, so kaya yun. Mahirap magkalisod. Gusto kong magtuyok ba? Baka mayroon akong makita doon. Asan man yung entrance? Andun yung entrance, di ba? Baka mayroon akong makita. Ganun. Huwag akong tularan guys kung mag-drive kasi andito tayo sa reserve parking. Hindi naman ako bababa. Dito lang naman ako. So para ito sana sa mga, you know, mga handicap, pero aalis naman ako pag paalisin ka. So dito lang naman ako sa sasakyan. So pwede lang nilang akong paalisin. So, diyan siya lalabas. So malapit lang dito yung ano, yung door ng Walmart. Ang daming tao guys, daming tao. Of course, Tommy's here. Ang daming binili ni Mr. Ay nako, iwan ko na lang. So, anong gagawin ko? Dito ako lalabas. Dito. Nag-ano ako, na-confuse ako, na-confuse. May naghihintay dito sa ano.
We're back out of space so we can get in.
We're going that way? Okay.
So you can do this
Okay, we'll move. You good?
Yeah.
Darling, we talk about different thing, darling. I'm gonna go follow over there because over here I cannot get through because it's traffic, so they won't let you in there.
They didn't have the tag away, but they did have a skin tag patch. You put it on the skin tag and you peel it off. Well, I don't know. I'm sure there's instructions. And when you peel it off, the skin tag will be gone.
Oopsie.
I actually walked around looking for it. Finally, I had to ask somebody, and everybody was, I finally found one girl who knew what I was talking about. The skin tags.
Oh, they don't have it.
They had one, and it's a little like a patch you put on it, and then I don't know how many days you leave it on and peel it off, and the skin tag's gone. It says.
I see you buy a bread, you buy this, you buy tot.
They had 3 bags of the little bones left, the little skinny bones.
You don't have that regular
The
bone?
little skinny ones, only 3. I found one of the little stubby bones, just the one.
So you buy that, they're expensive.
I got the little stubby bones, I got the 3 of the other ones. It was all I had left.
They're pricey, baby. And you buy more of that, it's not even like...
I also bought a shampoo for them.
Well, I just get one.
What?
Shampoo.
No, a shampooer.
What is shampooer?
When you do the dogs, since you tend to bathe them so often,
Yeah.
you just put a shampoo in it, and the hooks to the hose, and it mixes with the shampoo, so this way it comes out with the shampoo.
Oh my God, Tommy, you're
and it massages them when you do it with that.
tangled here, hon.
No. You gotta see it.
So, ngayon, ang binili niya, bumili siya. Thankfully, Daddy find a bone for you. Look! Ito yung palagi namin hinahanap, guys, na hindi namin nakikita palagi. And also cat food. And of course, chicken. And Tommy's sandwich bread. This is really soft one. Look. This is a soft bread. Hala. So, yun. Ay, skin tag remover. Yeah, I have a lot of skin tag. Sa liig, guys. Ang sakit, guys, kapag mag-necklace ako, guys. He get ribs. Ribs. Expensive pa naman ito. Ay, mga ribs. Luto na siya. $8 lang daw. $8 daw ito. Ang liit. Oh, I thought you don't get the skin tag. You just...
I did, I told you.
I know you mentioned something about I thought you...
have the other one.
Hey, eat something now while it's hot. The chicken and the ribs. I will eat a little bit later. Bologna. That's bologna is bad. Okay, then we eat na.
No.
Gutom man yan siya, guys. Kaya sabi pa niya, nung pumunta daw siya sa Walmart, gutom daw siya, ganun daw siya. Ganun ang ganun. So, naghanap siya ng maano. So, lahat na nakikita niya, ribs, chicken, binili na kasi ano, ganyan yan si Tommy. Kaya pinagbawalan ko yung umalis na ano. Akala ko, hindi maglutom. Maglutom pala. Uy.
Uy.
He get hungry. Uy, come on, look at this. Look at the camera and see. Uy.
Uy. Uy, uy.
So, mag-snack lang daw siya muna daw. So, every time he go to the store and hungry, he do like this, guys. While he's grocerying, he do like this. It's like a snake that hungry like this.
Yeah.
You get a hungry bug in there, honey.
You don't like this bug.
Okay, ilagay natin dito. Look, tignan nyo na ang skin tag ko dito. Dalawa. And meron ako dito sa mata. So, itry natin to. Ito siya, guys. Prevent. So, anyway, guys. Bumili si Tommy. And I'm sure that's very pricey. Is that pricey? So, bumili siya ng pang-shower ng aso na i-massage daw yung aso. Is it massage the dogs? Oh, look at this one. It's already afraid. You open that. Bili pa more, honey.
Different connections for different.
Lala, bili pa more.
So?
Daw. Palagi ka na lang bumibili. Magastos talaga itong mga alaga. Tommy always buy something for... I can just shower them easily. No need to do that. Okay, and the other end is going to the hose.
Adapters. And this is on the wall that's hanging.
To hang.
That's a little over the hanging. I don't know if it's long enough to reach from the sink.
No.
You may just need this hose end.
I told you, I need a hose. I cannot do the sink when I'm going to shower them inside the garage. Seriously. Hi guys, the camera over here is not really that clear because we're inside. The GoPro, for some reason, is not clear inside. I don't know, pero guys, kakain lang kami. Look, my baby. You see him? He is a baby. And the light is not so clear here. This is a bad thing. Han, why that thing is... There is an auto-like light thing. So, this is what our din-din, guys. It's a... Look, he's doing his gearing. He's getting the thing. Thank you. Even though hindi ako gumagamit ng tenedor o kutsilyo. So, yun. So, yung ulam ko is lamb, chicken, gulay. Ito. Yan. Madilim yung kahapon natin. Okay. Yan, kain tayo. So, yun lang. And then, magtanggal tayo ng makeup. And then, iin na natin yung vlog, guys. Kasi, si Mr. pagod. Sakit ulo. Nahihilo. Kanina pa yan, yung pumunta siya sa Walmart, sabi pa niya, hilo-hilo siya. So, yun. Anyway, so good night guys. Salamat sa inyong time. And yun lang yung ganap natin ngayong araw. Wala na masyadong ganap. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye guys. Good night.